In this video, I'm going to show you how to add alert in Tradingview. So first open up your Tradingview chart and from here, go to the right section, navigation bar, just below the watch list where you can see alerts, click on it and then select create alert. From here, what you can do is you can enter the price here. Let's say I want to add 42,000 and trigger. You can select only once or every time. After that, you can select the expiry of this alert from here and then you can add a alert name. Let's say I want to add a BTC alert and then you can add your custom message here. After doing all that work, just click on create and the alert will be added here. As you can see, the alert is active, so you can create as many alerts as you want like this, and you can stop this alert from here or you can remove this alert from here also. So this is how you can add alerts in TradingView.